If your Poco X7 feels like molasses, you're in need of a speed boost. First, let's adjust those animations. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap on MIUI version until you see you are now a developer. Head back to Settings and find additional settings. Open Developer Options, scroll down to Drawing, and set these to 0.5x or Off-Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Next, let's optimize background apps. Go to Settings, Apps, tap See All Apps. Force stop apps you don't use often and restrict background activity for others. Free up storage space by deleting unnecessary files, photos, and videos. Uninstall unused apps, and consider using a memory card. Make sure your software is up to date. Go to Settings. About Phone System Updates. Install any available updates. Check for malware with a reputable antivirus app. Scan your device to ensure it's clean. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. If all else fails, consider a factory reset, but remember to back up important files first. Your Poco X7 should feel much snappier now.